One thing you know, from December start.
I'm coming home. It's a holiday, America can't hold me now. Christmas a J, what a happy crowd. Christmas a J, what a happy crowd. Like Christmas. Coming like Christmas. It coming like Christmas. Like Christmas. Coming like Christmas.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another Gets Ready for Jamaica. So y'all know now we have to do the whole testing before we go down, so that's what we are about to do. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're older but a goodie, welcome back. So today, me and this one, we are traveling together. We're traveling together this year for the first time. So we're about to go get our test done because we leave next week. I don't feel like I'm tired. Like, I always hate the preparing to go down because it's always stressful and everything, and my head is killing me. But anyway, that's what we're about to go do. I'm not gonna film the whole process. Tried that before, YouTube flagged it, so just want to let y'all know our appointment is in like maybe 15 minutes. We're 10 minutes away, so let's go. Shabby, you nervous? And I'm nervous. I'm not nervous anymore. I feel like I've done this so many times. Like, at this point, just stick it up my nose, just stick it up my nostril. So guys, my camera's about to die, but we took it. Shop was nervous, talking about he wasn't nervous. It literally took like 3 minutes for the both of us. So we'll get our results in 3 days, and we fill out our Jam COVID app, and then we'll go to Jamaica. So guys, the next day after we took our COVID test, today is what, Tuesday. But in preparing for Jamaica, I'm gonna say if I leave my turtle tank dirty, they're gonna die because she's not gonna clean them. Bad mommy. But anyway, I don't know why the turtle water is green. I know some of you guys, I know I've gotten come cameraman, stop move, shav. So anyway, I know I've gotten some turtle advice from y'all. I didn't Google it, maybe I should, but the turtle water looked green, but I concluded that it's because no sunlight is touching it, because it's the winter time and stuff. That's my conclusion. I don't know if I'm right, but anyway, as you can see, let me show y'all. As y'all can see, the water is very green. The turtles are in there, you can't even see them. So right now I'm just bailing out the water. Got my gloves on because I still don't touch them with my bare hands just yet. I love them, but
you're afraid.
I'm not scared of them. I just don't like feeling slime and stuff, or like, ugh. I don't know.
Grab him.
Easy yourself. I saw you drop it last time, you know, brother. Easy yourself. Easy yourself. It is cruddy. Guys, this is not for me, bro. Like, just keep. Shop did it. Alright, we got one more to go.
So you can just take out the turtle.
Alright, Shop, come! I'm not gonna drop him. Shop, bring in the bucket. Guys, last time I dropped him, so I'm really scared about like picking it up. But usually when they were small, it was easier to just like pick them up because them putting them on them foot. No, they all flipping and flopping. What I'm gonna do when y'all get bigger?
Man, pick up him.
Man, try, but I'm nervous. Right, come on,
Rock
and
down.
behave.
Yes, you
Behave yourself, bro. There you go. All right, now just put them in some clean water. We're gonna empty the tank and replace it. So we'll come back and show y'all when everything is clean. Yeah. All right, guys, there they go. Clean tank.
Me kill one.
For now, until they filthy it up again. Which ever since they've gotten bigger, their tank has been doing really better. When they were smaller, they shed more often, they pooped a lot. But now, look how big they are. Hey, Baba, are y'all hungry? I know y'all hungry because I didn't feed y'all today.
No, I drop me there, me that yard. Which picture? I send a picture. Okay. Me that call you earlier.
You ever sleep? Wake up, man. This one got dropsy. Come on.
Yeah,
She's always sleeping. I put the food up. She not eating. She go to sleep.
Shut it
This
down.
one, boy, is
Yeah.
eating. There go, mama. See you in a few days, mama. After we took the COVID test, they said about 3 days for that. Just clean the turtle tank. Right now,
I will change it.
we are trying to get the Christmas tree together. I know it's kind of dark. We're trying to get the Christmas tree together. We have a light up here, light in the middle, no light there, no light there. So getting this sorted out. I hope that we only add white light to it because I like that. But yeah, I hope it's just like this. I have a intro to film, so hopefully that works out. I have a great idea. At least I think it's a great idea. I want to see it come to life, but every time I have a creative idea and it doesn't come out the way I picture it, I get upset and I shut down. Hopefully that doesn't happen. It is 5:45 right now. It feels like 10 p.m. but hopefully we can get that done today. I wanted my cousin to come over to help us film it, but that's not gonna happen, so we're just gonna have to work with my camera, the tripod and everything, and hopefully get that done for you guys to see. I think the first day y'all are gonna see the intro is actually on Sunday the 13th, which then you'll see this video later on. But anyway, yes, Dae's getting ready for Jamaica. Kind of different. Usually I do like hauls and stuff like that, but I'm just showing you ins and out of what I really do. Today I spent like 6 hours lesson planning. It was not it, still not done. I said, listen, I'll wake up early in the morning and do it. Lies I tell, because I'm just gonna finesse. My lesson is done. I just was trying to create the worksheets and stuff. I did create them, but then I'm just tired and hungry and everything. But I need to go edit a video, so that's what I'm about to do. Hey guys, so good morning. I know I look a crazy mess, but I'm on work right now. It's not my teaching day, I'm just supporting anyway. So I think the last time we saw each other, we took the test. So the results are in. I did not get notified that the results were in. Today is day 4, so I'm like, yeah, it never took this long, so I just checked it online and it was up. I'm a little nervous because the results that I got, it looks different from the one that I had the last time. I went somewhere else just because the place I usually go to BrightAsDae, but they were booked out, so I just found this place close to me and that's where I went. But anyway, I logged on. I am about to take the I'm about to fill out the travel authorization form, and I do want to walk y'all through it because even when I come and explain it, people still have questions about it. So yeah, let's go. I'm gonna type in jam COVID. All right, so when you go to the website, this is what it looks like. It'll ask you if you live in Jamaica. Now, I get this question a lot. I always select no because I'm traveling an American book. I don't think it matters which one you choose, but I always choose no. As you can see, I traveled before. These are the other 2 times. So then you go to add new, and then you're filling out these with just your personal information. When you hit submit, it'll send you a one-time code. Then it's gonna ask for traveler's information. Those are your personal information, so you put those in. Okay. And then they also ask if you're traveling with a family member. I am, so I just put 1. Even though you're traveling with a family member, they still need their own travel authorization form, so you still have to fill it out. Third screen is your health status and questionnaire. They're just letting you know that the test results should show. It's saying now, so instead of uploading your test to the website, a negative test result must be presented at the airline representative. So this is the change right now. Before you had to upload it here, and I had to show it at the airline. Now it's just requiring that before you board the plane, they're requiring airlines to check it, so make sure you have it. So your test results, everything like this should be on there. And then they ask you if you have any symptoms, been working with anybody, know anyone with COVID, and all of that. I selected all of that, so I hit next. The next thing you do, you put in your information where you plan to stay. Now you have different options. You could say hotel, a villa, apartment, guest house. You know, I'm going home, so that's a private home. And it asks you with residence. It asks you with residence or on your own, and then you put your address in. And then on the map, they want you to select specifically where you can zoom in. So for example, say I'm going here, I can hit cave and they know exactly where, and then you want to hit next. And it comes to the traveling costs. It's just a consent to say if you need to take the COVID test in the country, you're footing the cost, and the medical quarantine bills, you're footing the cost. You know, just signing your life away. I'm gonna hit yes because, you know. And then you also want to acknowledge that if you don't follow the rules in Jamaica and all of that, you will be fined up to $1 million Jamaican dollars or imprisonment up to 12 months. So we see that we ain't going to prison and we not paying no $1 million. Ooh, y'all, this is different. So this is definitely something that's different. It's just basically you reading. So they deemed me high risk. As you can see here, it's a home quarantine order and all of that. The chief medical officer's signature is there and mine is there. Today is not the 12th of October though. That's wrong. Oh, it's backwards. Today's the 10th of December. I forget that they do that. Okay. I'm just going to show y'all my messed up signature because I can't write on this computer, child. And we're going to hit next. Oh, dang. It requires a lot more this time around. I'll be back, y'all. I'm just going to finish up. Basically, what this is just the form that you got to fill out if you're bringing any foods, fruits, anything like that, medicine and all of that. And you fill it out and then you hit submit. So that's the last thing you have to do. So guys, I just submitted my application. Some people hit me up on Instagram like, hey Dae, I didn't have to upload the COVID test and I didn't wait a couple days for the approval. So I just submitted mine. Let's see if I'm approved. I'm about to check my email right now. Oh, it's there. Let's see. Your plan to Jamaica has been approved. So I got approved right away, which is good. The last time, y'all know I had anxiety about it. So different things. So here are the breakdown of the differences with the COVID test. You don't have to upload the test anymore, but you still have to take it because you cannot go on the airplane without it. I know someone who was supposed to go down on Monday and didn't because they didn't take the COVID test. They had to pay $75 at the airport to do the rapid test, and then they were positive, so they couldn't go. Sorry, right? And then so you need a test still. Give me 1 second because I'm working as I'm vlogging. So you still need the test, but you just don't have to upload on an app. You don't have to wait a couple days anymore. You just have to you just get approved right away. And there are some extra forms that you fill out throughout. They just want to make sure you are signing consent forms about the curfews and everything like that, all the rules that's happening in Jamaica. But other than that, hopefully this helps better than me sitting down and describing the process. I actually showed you some parts that I could and then broke it down and explained it really. So if you're thinking about traveling for the holidays or soon, definitely go ahead and do it. All right, so I will update y'all again on what else I need to do to get ready. I don't know why I'm not feeling like excited or anything like that, but it's Thursday. I leave Monday, so maybe the excitement will come Friday. I think it's because I'm still working.